So what is the first definition here in this power series solution? This is one important MCQ. Ordinary point. Ordinary point is, we say that x equal to x0 is an ordinary point if provided that q of x by p of x and r of x by p of x are analytic at x equal to x0. That is to say that that is to say that that is to say that these two quantities these two quantities have a Taylor series around Taylor series around x equal to x0, Taylor series around x equal to x0, we are going to only be only dealing with coefficients that are polynomials that are polynomials. So this will be equivalent. So this will be equivalent to saying that p of x0 is not equal to 0. P of x0 is not equal to 0. If your point, this one also very important one, if your point is not an ordinary point, is not an ordinary point, not an ordinary point, we call it a singular point. We call it a singular point. This is also the one more important MCQ. Example 1. Determine a series solution for the following differential equation. The following differential equation about about x not equal to 0. X not equal to 0. Y double dash plus y equal to 0. Determine a series solution for the differential equation about x not equal to 0. The given differential equation is y double dash plus y equal to 0. Write the solution for this. In case of p of x equal to 1, in case of p of x equal to 1, every point is an ordinary point. Every point is an ordinary point. The power series is summation of n equal to 0 to infinity x minus x naught whole power n a n. The power series is of the form y of x. You have to write y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity x minus x naught whole power n. What is x naught here? What is x naught here?
0. An.
X naught is 0. It is given in the problem. Therefore, the series can be written as y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n a n x power n. It is equation number 1. Then find that y dash of x, y double dash of x. Y dash of x. Have we solved or not this one? I think already we have solved the same problem. No? Fine. So what is y dash of x here? Summation of n equal to 1 to infinity n into n a n x power n minus 1. Similarly, y double dash of x is y double dash of x equal to summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n x power n minus 2. Substituting 3 in 1. So substituting 3 and 1 in given problem. So what is given problem? Y double dash plus y equal to 0. So how can we write this? If you are substituting 3 and 1 in the equation, summation of n equal to 2 to infinity. summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 an x power n minus 2 plus summation of n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n. This is equation number 4. So what is the next step? Next step is combining all the terms. Write down combining all the terms. So how can you combine all the terms? In the last class, I have explained how to combine the terms. See the first series, the exponent. The exponent of first series is x power n minus 2. Change the first series to x power n. Tell me the answer. Refer the last class and tell me the answer. Change the first series to x power n. Quick. So what is the first step here? Consider the first series. Consider the first series. Leave it that second series. First series summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 an x power n minus 2. Okay. So what is the first step? Come in. Come in. Mahalakshmi.
Yes,
Why
sir.
you put in that? Yeah. Tell me. What is the first step? Don't waste time. Svedita, are you there? Svedita? Padmapriya?
Yes, sir.
What is the first step?
N minus 2 is equal to
N minus 2 equal to I.
n equal to I plus 2. Substitute
Okay.
n is equal to I plus 2 in equation.
N equal to I
I
plus
plus
2.
2 in
So what n equal to I plus 2? That is summation of n is I plus 2, 2 to infinity. Then I plus 2. Then I plus 2 minus 1. Yeah. I plus 1. I plus 2 minus 1. A. N is I plus 2.
x
X
power
power.
I plus
திரும்பவுமா n minus 2 equal to I na. So once again you have to change it. Once again you have to change it. I equal to
n, sir.
I equal to n.
N,
Then summation of
n is equal to
summation of to 0 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 x power n. Substitute this in this equation. Substitute in this equation number 5. Substitute 5 in 4. Substitute 5 in 4. We get substitute 5 in 4. We get summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 a n plus 2 x power n plus summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n. This is equation number 6. Now we can add up the two series. Now add up the two series. This gives summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n plus 2 n plus 1 a n plus 2 plus a n x power n. Actually, the given equation is equal to 0. So y double dash, it is also, we can write that is equal to 0, that is equal to 0. If the power series is 0, write down, if the power series is 0 for all x, I have given as a note actually. I have given as a note. Power series review, I have given as a note. When that x power n equal to 0, the last two classes before I have given that, I have given as a note actually. I think it is the final. Yeah, it is a final note actually before the Taylor series. Before the Taylor series, I have given as a note. The power series summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x minus x naught whole power n equal to 0 if for all. Are you able to see that or not?
A n equal to
Yes,
0.
sir.
A n equal to 0.
If a n equal to 0, write down. If the power series is 0 for all x, then all the coefficients must be 0. Then all the coefficients must be 0. That is n plus 2, n plus 1, a n plus 2 plus a n equal to 0. That is, you have to write the reason here why it is equal to 0. Where n equal to 0, 1, 2, etc. This is called a recurrence relation. This is called a recurrence relation. Already we have studied about the recurrence relation. In the series, very famous series is there for the recurrence relation. You know about that series Fibonacci or Fibonacci? Somebody pronounce it as Fibonacci or Fibonacci. What is that series? Very important series. That one. For the mathematics, it is very useful series. Fibonacci series. Anybody? Can you remember that Fibonacci series? What is the speciality of the Fibonacci series? This is a main concept or main basic for the recurrence relation actually.
Golden ratio, sir.
What is that ratio? That's your
1.618.
no series. I'm asking about the series. Start from 0.
1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8.
What is the main? What is the general format of the Fibonacci series? Fn. What is the general format of the Fibonacci series?
Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2.
That is 0, 1, and then adding this to 1, adding this to 2, adding this to 3, adding this to 5, so etc. That is Fn plus 1 equal to once again, can you tell me that series? Fn plus 2 was
Fn equal to Fn minus 1 plus Fn minus 2.
Fn equal to Fn plus 1 plus
Minus 1. Minus 1
Fn minus 1, Fn minus 2, correct? So even Fn plus 2, if you put that Fn plus 1 means Fn plus Fn plus 1, sorry, Fn minus 1. So it's go on. It's go on. Actually, if any series is there, it is a competitive examinations. If they are given that only 2 or 3 times, 5 elements will be given, then what is the next element? That is some general format may be there. Then you have to find at the next value in the series. Okay. So here it is called a recurrence relation. Write down. This is called a recurrence relation. Here we need to find the series solution to the differential equation. So in order to this, we need to determine the value of ANs. So how to find that values of ANs? See, in the recurrence relation as two different ANs. In the recurrence relation, there are two different ANs are there, AN plus 2 and AN. Now, we have to solve it. How to solve it? N plus 2, write down. N plus 2, N plus 1, AN plus 2 equal to minus AN. Therefore, AN plus 2 equal to minus AN by N plus 2 into N plus 1, which is equation number 7. But we required the series solution here. How to find the series solution? Step by step we can see that when n equal to 1, when n equal to 0, what happen? When n equal to 0, what you get? Quick. When n equal to 0, A2 equal to minus A0 by 2 into 1. Similarly, when n equal to 1, A3 equal to minus A1 by 3 into 2. continue so on. When n equal to 2, when n equal to 2, a4 into minus a2 by 3, sorry, 4 into 3, 4 into 3. This is can be written as a4 equal to na. So a4 equal to minus a naught by, already minus is there, plus here a naught by 1, 2, 3, 4. When n equal to 3, when n equal to 3, similarly we can get that when n equal to 3, a5 equal to a3 by 5 into 4, 5 into 4. So this can be written as, how can we write that? a1 by minus a3. So a1 by 5432, 5432. Generally, what is a2k? N equal to 0, n equal to 2, n equal to 4, n equal to 6. Some general format is there. That is a2k equal to minus 1 whole power k, a naught divided by 2k factorial, 2k factorial. Similarly, a2k plus 1, a2k plus 1 equal to minus 1 whole power k, a1 divided by 2k plus 1 factorial, where k equal to 1, 2, 3, etc. Let y of x equal to, let y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n, an x power n, then y of x equal to a naught plus a1 x plus a2 x square plus a3 x cube, etc. So if you are continuing like this, then somewhere you will get that a2k x power 2k plus a2k plus 1 x power 2k plus 1. Therefore, a naught plus a1x minus a naught 2 factorial by x square minus a1 by 3 factorial x cube, etc., plus or minus etc. Then finally what you get? Plus minus 1 whole power k a naught by 2k factorial x power 2k plus minus 1 whole power, is it k plus k only, minus 1 whole power k by 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 factorial a1 x power 2k plus 1. In the next step, collect like terms. The next step, we collect like terms. We will get y of x equal to, a naught into 1 minus x square by 2 factorial, etc., plus minus 1 whole power k x power 2k by 2k factorial plus a1 x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus etc., minus 1 whole power k x power 2k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 factorial, and so on. So this can be written as a naught into summation of k equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power k x power 2k by 2k factorial plus a1 summation of k equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole power k by 2k plus 1 factorial into x power 2k plus 1. Finally, that plus 1 is cutting x power 2k plus 1 here, x power 2k plus 1. So what is the original solution here? Actually, we are writing here as a series solution. Are you able to identify the solution? Already I have given that what is a series this one. If you are expanding, what you get? 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x power 4 by 4 factorial minus x power 6 by 6 factorial. Similarly, x minus x cube by 3 factorial plus x power 5 by 5 factorial. What is this act? This one and this. In a single step, we can write the answer actually. Here we are writing as a series solution. Somewhere it will be very useful one. But simply we can tell that y double dash plus y equal to 0. So what is the auxiliary equation here? P square plus 1 equal to 0. P square equal to minus 1. P equal to plus or minus I. So alpha plus or minus I beta, that is P, where alpha equal to 0, beta equal to 1, then what is that? Y equal to C1 cos x plus C2 sin x. This is cos x, this is sin x. That's all. Are you able to get? Then, so what is C1, C2 here? Only A0 and A1. A0 is a constant, A1 is constant. So this is can be written as A0 cos x plus A1 sin x, that is y of x. So instead of writing this step, we are doing these steps for the series solution. If it is a homogeneous or a linear, we can easily do that. If it is a linear, it is a linear equation, we can easily do this step. In case if it is a non-homogeneous or that non-linear terms, it is very, very difficult. And then one more thing, in the cycle test, many of them were not done that the non-homogeneous problem. Sorry, non-linear. How when it is the non-linear, given that 4 or 5 rules are there for the non-linear. When is it is said to be the linear, when it is said to be the non-linear, clearly given. Please go through that. Can I rub the board?
Yes, sir.
Find the series solution. Find the series solution around x naught equal to 0. Find the series solution around x naught equal to 0 for the following differential equation. For the following differential equation, y double dash minus xy equal to 0. It is a linear equation or non-linear equation? P of x equal to 1. So what is the general form? P of x y double dash plus q of x y dash plus r of x equal to 0. That is the general format. If P of x equal to 1, then the differential equation at every point is an ordinary point. Write the solution. If P of x equal to 1, the differential equation every point is an ordinary point. So here the power series is y of x equal to summation of n equal to 0 to infinity summation of n equal to 0 to infinity an x power n is y of x equal to. So as usual, you can write that y dash of x, y double dash of x. Summation of n equal to 0 to infinity n x power n minus 1 is summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 an x power n minus 2. Therefore, the given equation becomes y double dash summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 an x power n minus 2 x power n minus 2 minus x is there, x summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n equal to 0. This is a given equation. Then you have to combine that x inside. Then find that n equal to 0 to infinity. So this can be written as, in the next step we can write that n equal to summation of n equal to 2 to infinity n into n minus 1 a n x power n minus 2 minus summation of n equal to 0 to infinity a n x power n plus 1 equal to 0. Convert this everything into that x power n. First you convert this everything into that x power n. Then tell me the answer for this. Already now it is 10 o'clock. Please let me know very quickly tell me that everything convert into that x power n, then what is the series? Quick to that. Afternoon one more class is there. We will discuss.